I like making mixes ahead of time. I like to bake different things, and sometimes I just don't feel like inventing the wheel, especially if it's really cold in the morning. It's nice to have everything ready to go. So when I make a pre-made mix, I try to choose a recipe that is not real complicated. You know, all the dry ingredients can go together, and then you add the wet ingredients, and there's not a lot of steps and stages. This particular recipe is the Betty Crocker cornbread mix recipe. I got it from the cookbook. It's kind of a classic one. I like it. Again, real simple, just all the dry ingredients, then you add all the wet ingredients. I'm going to put the full recipe down in the description, but right now we're just going to prepare the dry ingredients. I like to use these 1 quart jars. I got these at Walmart a few months ago, maybe about a year ago. They just fit everything. They're kind of a good standard size for cookie mixes, bread mixes, and the like, and they're just uniform on the shelf there. I got one of these funnels also. It's a canning funnel. I got it at Walmart too, and it's been really handy for keeping all the ingredients as they go into the jar from just spraying all over the place. First ingredient is 1.25 cups of cornmeal. I've got some here in this jar. So I'm gonna start by pouring, I guess, the first cup in there, and then I'll eyeball it for the 1/4 cup. And there we go. Whoops. It's about a cup. I'm gonna put another approximate 1/4 cup in there. That's about right. All right. Next ingredient is 1 cup flour. I've got my 1 cup flour here. Put it in there. Help the rest of it go down. And those are the main 2 ingredients. We're going to put in 1/2 cup of sugar. I know there's 2 schools of thought about sugar in cornbread. There's supposed to have sugar in cornbread, not to have sugar in cornbread. I don't care. I do like sugar in cornbread, so sue me. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Get that in there. There we go. And 1/2 teaspoon salt. And that's almost all there is to it. I put the lid on, screw it down tight. I also have those plastic mason jar lids, which are fantastic, but this one's in good shape still. And as you can see, it fills the jar pretty well. And so that I don't forget what's in there or what I'm supposed to do with it, I got these really great labels at Walmart. They're Avery multi-use labels, and what I like about them is they're easy to peel off. Nothing is more annoying than not being able to peel off a label and having the glue stick to everything. So what I do at this point is I take out one of the labels, and I'll write what this is. This is cornbread. And I'll write the other ingredients: 1/4 cup butter or margarine, 1 cup milk, and 1 egg. And I'll just say beat the egg, beat liquid ingredients, add to dry, mix, bake at 400, grease pan. I don't need a lot of instructions on this because I've made them before, but if you're not certain or you need a little bit more, a little bit more guidance, then you can certainly put 2 labels or just add more detail. And there it is. And I can just slide it in with my other jars here. I have got some cookies and cornbread and apple skiver mix and some brownie mix, some pie fillings, and all ready to go if I get the urge to bake. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and happy baking.